असतो मा सद्गमय असतो मा सद्गमय तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमय मृत्योर्मा अमृतं गमय ॐ शान्ति 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 असतो मा सद्गमय तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमय मृत्योर्मा अमृतं गमय ॐ शान्ति 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 असतो मा सद्गमय तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमय मृत्योर्मा अमृतं गमय ॐ शान्ति 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 असतो मा सद्गमय तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमय मृत्योर्मा अमृतं गमय ॐ शान्ति 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 असतो मा सद्गमय तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमय मृत्योर्मा अमृतं गमय शांति शांति शांति। असतो मा सद्गमय तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमय मृत्योर्मा अमृतं गमय ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। असतो मा सद्गमय तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमय मृत्योर्मा अमृतं गमय ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति असतो मा सद्गमय असतो मा सद्गमय तमसो मा
Good evening. Welcome to the evening session. Before we start, can I please get a confirmation if you can hear us and see us? Good evening, Meenakshi. Good evening, Sudhakarji, Priyanka, Mahek, Tapasya, Manmohan, Shaheen, Surendra ji, very good evening. Hope you had a lovely long weekend. Just want to get a confirmation. Yes, all good. Bharat ji, very good. Let's first bring our mind into present and then we'll start. Yes, all good. All right. Thank you so much for confirming. Now let's bring first our mind home and into the body and then we will start. Let me just see the settings. Yeah, I think it should be okay now. Asha, thank you Priyanka. Alright, let's first bring our mind home. Close your eyes. Take long and deep breath in. Close your eyes. Take long and deep breath in. Slowly, slowly let it go. Force your breath in and out by creating some friction like this. Take long and deep. It's called Ujjayi breath. Take long and deep breath in. Slowly, slowly let it go. 7 to 8 times you will take long and deep breath in. Take long and deep breath in. Take long and deep breath in. Slowly, slowly let it go. Take long and deep breath in. Slowly, slowly let it go. Take long and deep breath in. Slowly, slowly let it go. Take long and deep breath in. Slowly, slowly let it go. Take long and deep breath in. Keep your eyes closed and put your attention on your palm. Try to feel the palm from inside. Just feel the sensation. Anchor your mind onto the palm. Bring your mind home. Suddenly you will find the peace is bursting inside you. It will open the door. Hold attention onto the palm. Take long and deep breathing. Slowly, slowly let it go. Take long and deep breathing. Slowly, slowly let it go. Take long and deep breathing. Slowly, slowly let it go. With next long deep breathing, we'll chant Am 3 times. Take long and deep breathing. Slowly, slowly let it go. Now we'll chant Am 3 times. Take long and deep breathing. Take long and deep breathing. Take long and deep breathing. Feel the silence surrounding you, inside you. Slowly, slowly open your eyes. Once again, I welcome all of you to the evening session. Today, I just wanted to share a story. It was when we were coming, we actually went to Blue Mountain today. We came home 6:20 and we were running to be with you here. And we thought we cannot make it today, but as you know that I love to be here with you all. So it was like a race against time. And the reason we went for a Blue Mountain today was to look for a place for our new center. So we were trying to locate which suburb is good, whether it's from Wentworth Fall, Katoomba, Blackheath, because I am in the planning of making a permanent center for Mita Wellness, where people can come and rejuvenate on weekend. So that process has already started. It might not happen in near future. It might take 2 or 3 years, but that is the plan. So we today was the first. I am so happy. So I wanted to share that today me and my family went to finalize the locations, which suburb we can make the center. I want to make it a center which is a gate away from the city, and it will be a permanent center where people can come anytime and spend time with me, and it's like a second home for everyone. So that process has begun today, and we've been till Victoria. Mount Victoria. So we drove to Mount Victoria first. We went to Mount York. We found all the places from there. Then coming down towards Blackheath. Then we searched that area. Then we came to Katoomba. We then go there. Then we went to Laura. So we tried to find which suburb is good, where to plan for, and everything. We found beautiful Brahma Kumari center in Laura, and then Vipassana center in Blackheath. and somehow inside we felt that this is the right place and right way to go to. And obviously our evening sessions will be here in Westmead and Parramatta, but in next 2 years time watch for the space, and next 2 years time we are going to start something more delightful, more blissful, a getaway experience for everyone, which will be there permanent, not permanent in the sense it will be there for you to come and visit, and we'll make it very beautiful place. In India we have many centers or satsang bhavans like that, but in Australia it's very rare to find a place where you get everything, where you get yoga, meditation, retreat center or something. So it's very exciting. But while coming back we were late, and it was a race against time, but we made it. Even I couldn't have tea. Tea is in my hand only here, but it is so good to be back. And yes, it is very quiet place. Yes, Tapasya. So let's start. I'm very happy today to be with you all again, and let's with your prayers, may our center come in existence before I am guessing, so that or estimating, with all your good wishes, and we will have a beautiful center here in Sydney for all of you to the later part of our life. But we have to start it from now only, otherwise we won't be able to make it. So I am planning something which you will require after 20 years or 15 years. So bless me to do what I can do, and let's start with our Kriya. Those who are new, first time today, just make sure that you are mindful whatever we do. When I say mindful means to live in present moment. Feel your hand, feel your neck moving, feel your body moving. There are many scientific methods behind this. What is chakra, how they get ignited, what is the benefit. But I don't want you guys to learn theoretically. I want you to experience the fruit of it. So I never believe in giving very what you call lectures and technological things in yogic science and how it works and everything. My better way, I feel that it is to you to experience it and know it on your own self. So we'll start that session, and first we'll do, those who are new, first we do Kriya, which is Mita short Kriya. You can do that at home. It's available on YouTube under Mita Meditation YouTube channel. And then we do breathing techniques. We do 3 kind of pranayam, which is very important. Exercise for inner organs, which is for lungs and chest. And then after that we go into the meditation, and we end with a bhajan. So let's start with the small short Kriya today. Take long and deep breathing. Keep your back straight. Neck little bit tilted. Take long and deep breathing. Slowly let it go. Take long and deep breathing. Slowly let it go. Feel your neck turning towards left as much as possible. Till the time you stretch, bring your right palm onto the right cheek and press your right cheek. 1, 2, 3. Press your cheek onto the palm. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Hand going down slowly. Towards right. Your palm going in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Slowly. Now in center. While doing, feel the movement of your hand and feel the touch of your hand onto your forehead. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is for Agna Chakra, which is located between your eyebrows. 6, 8, 9, 10. Back of your head. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. When you are doing this one, make sure your shoulder blade touching each other. Press your head onto your palm. 9, 10. Again, feel the hand coming down. Feel the neck going towards left as much as possible. Feel the hand coming up to your cheek. Press your cheek onto the palm, feeling the cold or heat sensation. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Slowly, slowly hand going down. Towards right. Left hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Slowly, slowly hand going down. Feel the moment. Become a witness to your thoughts and emotion and the sensation on forehead. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. On the back of your head. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Slowly, slowly hand going down. Now we'll do Vishuddhi Chakra, which is throat chakra. It often deals with the truth and often blocked by lies. Take your chin to the chest like that. Feel the chin touching chest. Now neck going up from right side. Feel the stretch on the neck. Only halfway. Then again from halfway, go anti-clockwise. Clockwise, again going up. And while doing it, feel the stretch on your neck. Very important to be mindful. If you don't do anything mindfully, that means the experience of it is only 50%. Become aware of your breath. Very good. Now, both the hand on your knees, making 360-degree circle like this. And then shoulder rotating like this. Make sure when the shoulder goes back, your shoulder blade touches each other. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Gentle smile on the face, eyes closed. 9, 10. Now opposite. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now we'll do Anahata Chakra, which is heart chakra. Heart chakra is very important chakra because of the life experiences. What we do is we build a wall around us so that nothing bad can hit us. The problem with that building wall is this, that when you build a wall around you, not only bad thing don't come to you, but also the good thing also stops there. Because of our experiences, we close our heart for other things. So there are no bad thing outside, but our perception about things, about the way they have happened in our life, we feel betrayed or we feel hurt. Now we keep that hurt into our heart, and that's how this heart chakra get blocked. Whenever you feel that your life is empty, boring or mechanical, like a machine, robot. We are not a machine, but our lives are like machine. That happens only because when our heart chakra is blocked. So we have developed some kriya in which it will start removing that blockage, and you will again see that energy started moving and you started smiling more, feeling more comfortable, feeling more complete, and overall your life start to feel good from inside. That is only because of these chakras we ignite and the energy it flows. So this heart chakra is very important. It is always represented by two triangles, one facing upward, one facing downwards. That only means that this chakra, heart chakra, will help you to explore the higher dimension of your life, or you remain mechanical, right, like a robot rest of your life, depends upon how you open up your heart chakra. So let's uh, stretch for heart chakra. Both the hand on your thigh, press with my counting 1, 2. Feel the stretch. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Opposite. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Again. Opposite. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. One more last time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Very good. Now, the next chakra is our Manipura chakra. Go down, go up, go in the center, go. Sorry, go down. Now, right side, come up, left side, touch your forehead to your knee, come back, then go in the center, again come back, go into the right, again come back, one more time, left, up, center, come up. Become mindful of what is happening. Feel the stretch, feel the close, feel the breath. Come back. Anchor your mind into present moment. Now full circle from left, center, right. Going back. Again. Opposite. Keep your attention on your breath. Become aware of the silence surrounding you. Just become aware what all things happening in this present moment. Open your left leg. Try to keep your eyes as closed as possible, because when your eyes are closed, mind stays inside, and even if it goes outside, you can see where it goes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Opposite leg now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Very good. Shishupalasana, rocking baby pose. Gentle smile. 1, 2. It's going to be very hard for me today because I was driving 200 kilometers and my back is gone already. And it's so difficult because you get a stiff back. But that is what keep me disciplined, because you guys are the reason who keep me disciplined. Otherwise, I would have just came and slept. But because I have committed myself, now it is good for my health as well. So I have to thank you to make me do it. Kiss your baby. But still I am doing good because I thought I don't know how I am going to do it today. Okay, secondly. 1, 2. Gentle smile on the face. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Kiss your baby. Very good. Successfully kissed my babies. Both the legs now towards genital. As close as possible. Go up, 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 up. Go down, 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 down. Go up, 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 up. Go down, 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 down. Go up, 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 up. Go down, 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 down. Go up, 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 up. Go down, down. Up, down, up, down, up, down. Down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Very good. Relax. We'll do some pranayam today. 3 types of pranayam we'll do. We'll do Bhastrika, then we'll do Kapalbhati, and we'll do Anulom Vilom. So let's start with Bhastrika Pranayam. In Bhastrika Pranayam, we close our mouth only with the nostril. We push the breath in and breath out. Now this breath you will push in brings lot more oxygen, revitalizes your body cell, and goes. Every organ is made out of cells. So cells lives on oxygen. So if they don't get oxygen, they die. That's why if somebody stops your breath, we can't live any longer. The breath is the tie, a thread which binds us with this body. So if that is broken, then we can't live in this body. So it's very important to know about breath. There is a big science behind the breath, how it works and everything. But instead of knowing science, let's experience. Both the hand beside your shoulder, mouth closed, gently. Force the breath in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out, in, out, in, out, in, out, in, out, breathe in, out, out, in, out, in, out, in, out, in, out, in, out, in, breathe in, without breathing, in, out, in, out, in, out, in, out, in, out, breathe in, breathe in, out, in, out, in, out, in, out, in, out, in, out, in, out. Relax. Put the palm open to sky on your lap and feel the sensation on your palm. Feel the magic of oxygen going into your head, revitalizing every body part. One more time. Breath in, out, in, out, in, out, in, out, in, out. Keep doing. In, out, in, out, in, out. Give your 100%. In, out, 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 out, in, out, in, out, in, out. Relax. Put the palm on lap, open to sky. Experiencing all body revitalization. Because of the excess oxygen we pushed in our body, this will take out of all the toxins resulted by wrong eating and less breathing, shallow breathing which we have developed because of all this unconscious 70,000 thought we think every day. Our breathing has become shallow because of it. One more last time. Breathe in, breathe out. In, out, in, out, in, out, in, out. Keep doing. In, out, in, out. In, out, 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 in, out. Relax. Become aware of your palm and the sensation on your palm, tingling sensation on your palm. Just become aware of the silence surrounding you, inside you. Acknowledge that if I want to become silent and blissful, it is always available to me. The disturbance is always inside me, not outside. Outside, there is always abundance of silence and blissfulness. And it is available every moment for you. Kapalbhati, only exhaling. Relax. Become aware of silence. Become aware of the depth of the silence, immense sea of the silence, and the peace, and acknowledge that this peace and silence is always available. It's the noise in my head doesn't let me acknowledge this or doesn't let me experience this available silence. Just listen to this silence. Listen how big quantity it is available to you. How vast, like a universe, it is available to you at any moment of the day. As soon as you tune yourself, you'll see. One more time again. Relax. Again, try to listen to silence. Whole attention, watching the silence surrounding you. Our bodies are like a instrument. Imagine if our bodies are like a radio instrument. And there are many waves or signals in this universe. Same like in our radio, you can tune your radio to any channel, and whatever channel you tune your radio, it will sing like that. So if you tune your radio to talk back show, it will say talk back show. When you tune to some lousy channel, the lousy music will come. If you tune it to beautiful music, it will beautiful music. Same way, if we tune our body to this piece which you can hear now all the time, if your transistor or radio is tuned to this blissfulness and this peace which is always available, there is no way you will get disturbed. Anxiety, insecurities or depression can come near you. So always try to tune. This kriya is nothing but tuning our radio to this blissfulness, to this cosmic energy. One more last time. Start. Relax. When we are into this mode of silence, where you can listen to silence, where you can feel the breath, you will be in such a deep rooted in present moment that no matter what happens, you will never unconsciously respond to other people's negative behavior and then after regret. You might be able to give them straight answer, but you won't have a unconscious outburst for which we regret all the time. So the basic reason we do all this kriya is to monitor our responses to situation and make sure that we don't get many regretful situation in our life. One more last time. Start. Relax. Become aware of the silence surrounding you. Depth of the silence, vastness of the silence. Just become aware. Don't do anything, just become aware. Try to listen to sound of silence. Anulom Vilom, alternate nostril breathing. Put your right thumb on right nostril. Take long and deep breathing. Now left pinky finger on opposite nostril and exhale through right nostril. Again inhale to right nostril. Close your right nostril. Exhale through left nostril. Then again inhale from left nostril. Exhale through right nostril. So alternate nostril. Now again inhale through right nostril. Close it and exhale through left nostril. Take long and deep breath in. Take long and deep breathe out. Take long and deep breath in. Take long and deep breathe out. Take long and deep breath in. Take long and deep breathe out. Take long and deep breathe in. Take long and deep breathe out. Take long and deep breathe in. Take long and deep breathe out. Take long and deep breathe in. Take long and deep breathe out. Relax. Close the light if possible. If you want to sit on chair, you can sit on chair. If you want to sit on couch, you can sit on couch. Keep your back straight and neck tilted up. Once you sit in a relaxed pose, Make sure that you stay there in the same pose no matter what happens. There might be a lot of unpleasant sensations in your body, unsensation, now sounds surrounding you as you are at home. But don't bother about all those, accept it as it is. Because whenever you try to do something good, there is a large part of evils will come in your way to disturb you or distract you not to go on this path. The one of the biggest evil is your own mind, and then comes the rest of the family along with the noises they make. So sit with eyes closed. Take long and deep breath in, breathe out. Feel the breath touching inside your nostril. Take long and deep breath in, long and deep breathe out. Take long and deep breath in, take long and deep breathe out. Take long and deep breath in, take long and deep breath out. Take long and deep breath in, take long and deep breath out. Now just sit simply, watching your incoming breath, outgoing breath. सारा ध्यान अपनी नासिकाओं पर रखते हुए सांस के आवागमन को जाने. Keep your attention steadfastly fixed at the entrance of the nostril, watching every incoming breath, outgoing breath. एक एक सांस को जानते रहें. Some of you might notice the breath is coming from right nostril. Some of you might notice the breath is coming from left nostril. Some of you might notice the breath is coming from both the nostrils. Don't try to change it. If it is coming from right nostril, let it come from right nostril. You just become aware the breath is coming from right nostril. If it is coming from left nostril, let it come from left nostril. Don't try to change it. ना सांस दाएं नासिका से आ रहा है तो दाएं नासिका से आ रहा है. सांस बाएं नासिका से आ रहा है तो बाएं नासिका से आ रहा है. सांस दोनों नासिका से आ रहा है तो दोनों नासिका से आ रहा है. उसे बदलने की कोशिश ना करें. सारा ध्यान अपने सांसों पर, ऑन टॉप ऑफ योर अपर लिप्स, in a very small pace. Steadfastly fix your attention, watching every incoming breath, every outgoing breath. जानते रहे, निरंतरतापूर्वक जानते रहे. सांस की पूरी लंबाई की जानकारी होती रहे, शुरुआत से लेकर अंत तक, अंत से लेकर शुरुआत तक. एक एक सांस की जानकारी होती रहे, एक एक सांस का पहरा होता रहे, एक एक सांस की पहरेदारी होती रहे. एक भी सांस बिना आपके अवेयरनेस के आने ना पाए, जाने ना पाए. Keep your attention steadfastly fixed at the entrance of your nostril, watching entire length of incoming breath, entire length of outgoing breath. Very sharp, very alert, very diligent. एक एक सांस को जानते रहें, एक एक सांस की पहरेदारी होती रहे, उसे बदलने की कोशिश ना करें. Keep your attention steadfastly fixed at the entrance of the nostril, मन भटक जाए तो फिर वापस ले आए. इफ योर माइंड वंडर्स अवे, ब्रिंग इट बैक अगेन. एक एक सांस को जानते रहे, एक एक सांस की पहरेदारी होती रहे. मन भटक जाए तो फिर वापस ले आए और फिर शुरू कर दें. सारा ध्यान अपनी नासिकाओं पर केंद्रित करते हुए हर एक सांस के आवागमन को जानते रहे, सांस की पूरी लंबाई को जानते रहे, शुरुआत से लेकर अंत तक, अंत से लेकर शुरुआत तक. सांसों का छूना महसूस करें. सांस लेना नहीं है, नेचुरल सांस को जानना है. सांस आ रहा है, आ रहा है, आ रहा है, जा रहा है, जा रहा है, जा रहा है. बस यही जानते रहना है, उसे बदलने की कोशिश जरा भी नहीं करनी है. एक एक सांस पर पहरावता रहे, एक एक सांस की पहरेदारी होती रहे. मन भटक जाए तो फिर वापस ले आए. मन भटक जाए तो फिर वापस ले आए, फिर शुरू कर दे. एक एक सांस की जानकारी होती रहे. माइंड वंडर्स अवे, ब्रिंग इट बैक एंड अगेन बिकम अवेयर ऑफ एंटायर लेंथ ऑफ इनकमिंग ब्रेथ, एंटायर लेंथ ऑफ आउट गोइंग ब्रेथ. जानते रहे, निरंतरता पूर्वक जानते रहे. मेरे अर्जित पुण्य में भाग सभी का हो, इस मंगलमय धर्म का लाभ सभी को हो. सबका मंगल होय, सबका मंगल होय. May all beings be happy, blissful and peaceful. Let my peace shared among the whole world. Let my all fellow humans feel my peace and blissfulness. तेरा मंगल मेरा मंगल, सबका मंगल होय रे. जिस गुरुदेव ने धर्म सिखाया, उनका मंगल होय रे. जिस जननी ने जन्म दिया है, उसका मंगल होय रे. पाला पोसा और बढ़ाया, उस पिता का मंगल होय रे. जल में स्थल में और गगन में, सब प्राणी सुखिया होय रे. अंतर मन की गाठे टूटे, अंतर निर्मल होय रे. तेरा मंगल मेरा मंगल, सबका मंगल होय रे. सबका मंगल होय रे. सबका मंगल होय रे. सबका मंगल होय रे. Take long and deep breath in. Take long and deep breath out. Take long and deep breath in. Take long and deep breath out. Whenever you find yourself complete, in no rush, you may open your eyes. Thank you very much for joining today's session. I cannot explain the word what I feel after the session. We all share that feeling. It's a common feeling of blissfulness, peacefulness, and experiencing our own being. There is no bigger pure thing than doing this. This is why we have come. And we get to share, we are so lucky that we get to share with each other the same feeling. Because this is the only time when we all feel same. The rest of the time, we are all thinking different, feeling different. But this is the only time when we are in one frequency of that divine. And that divinity always waiting for us. It's just that us, we are not available. Many people say, oh, we can't see God, we can't find God, because it's not that he is not or she is not available. It's because we are not available. Our mind is constantly going backward and forward, future and past, and he lives in present. The moment we start living in present, that divinity comes in us. That is the quality. It's not the person, or it's not the a human. It's a quality which comes in our life, which is called godliness quality, where we feel blissful, where we feel peaceful. And when you are in blissful, peaceful mode, it's very highly unlikely that you will hurt anyone. And when you don't hurt anyone, obviously, when you are happy, you don't need anyone. uh, when we are in a good, unfortunately, when we are in a good timing, we don't need anyone, not even God. Only when we are in trouble, we remember God. Many of us, not everyone. So, when we are in this blissful state, He comes Himself. He only lives in a place where the satsang is happening, the kriya is happening, the meditation is happening. One day, if you are fortunate, you might be able to complete your task while we are here. But that's beyond the point. I want you to have a lovely week ahead. Please make sure you don't trade your time for your life. Your life is very precious. Don't waste 5 days for 2 days weekend. That's not right kind of living. Try to live every day. So whatever you are doing, do it gracefully. If you're going office, go gracefully, not tiringly. Don't curse yourself on Sunday or Monday. Oh, tomorrow I have office. Don't get into that bad habit. Be happy. Let your everyday be same. Let every day be relaxed like a holiday. I know there are tensions in office, but you do that evening, come and do the session and get rid of those thoughts. Our brain is rewritable CD all the time. It keeps rewriting every day. So you know that what you were thinking 3 days back, that thoughts are not here because it rewrote itself. It's not worth it. So don't trade your life for 5 days and then 2 days you enjoy. Many people live like that. So in whole year you only live 52 weekend when there is a 365 days to enjoy. Because at the end of your life you will regret that trading your days for whatever money you get or whatever you get. Do that as well, but do it gracefully. Don't come into this habitual pattern that every day is same of your life, whether it's Monday, Tuesdays, Thursdays, Sunday, Saturday, so that there should not be any friction, resistance to go to office on Mondays or to do this. But most of you are now at home only, so you wouldn't matter. I'm just saying. So let's meet again tomorrow evening. Thank you so much for joining. Be mindful when you eat. Feel the food you are eating. When you drink, feel the drink you are drinking. When you sit on the chair, feel the chair while doing all the work. When you are having shower, feel the shower. Every part of it. So make sure you are in present. That's how you discipline your mind to be in present. And if you do it, you will see the greatest magic in your life. That I can assure you, because I have seen it, so I can tell you that. And again, thank you for joining. I'll see you tomorrow evening. Good night and goodbye.